Sikh Human Rights Group.
As stated at paragraph 13 of this working group's report, HRC 5040, to meet their duty to protect human rights under Pillar 1 of the guiding principles, states should put the needs of their people at the heart of pandemic responses and recovery efforts, involving business by using a smart mix of legal and policy measures to require and enable business enterprises to respect human rights. However, the particulars of this intended smart mix still remain unclear. Therefore, the Sikh Human Rights Group would like to take this opportunity to request that this working group undertakes consultations with relevant stakeholders and then releases a substantive report on, but not limited to, the following matters: the extent to which stakeholders believe that the binding legal instrument will enhance civil society's access to appropriate remedies, and to what extent they understand the forthcoming practical operation of the UNGPs and the binding legal instruments. In other words, do they believe that the binding legal instrument will serve to enhance the current matrix derived from the UNGPs, or whether it will operate as an unconnected instrument of international human rights law? For not only would this increase transparency, engagement and accountability between stakeholders, but it would also provide civil society organisations and UN treaty bodies with the opportunity to pre-empt the major areas of contention or difference between stakeholders. This in turn would allow international human rights organisations, state governments, legislators, national judicial bodies and civil society organisations to strategise accordingly as we move into the next decade of action. Thank you very much. That concludes my submission.
Thank you.